Welcome back students to our maths class of class 7th, and today we are going to solve exercise 2.2 question number 7. Again it is of the same type. First of all, we have seen a whole number multiplied by a fraction, then half of a whole number, half of a fraction, half of a mixed number. So this is what we are going to start here in the question number 7 also. Let us start with we have to find out. Question A is given half of 2 3 upon 4. Okay, question A. Find 1/2 of, again of is there, find 1/2 of first sum 2 3 upon 4. Find 1/2 of, so we have to find, so 1/2 of 2 3 upon 4, this equals to half of 2 3 upon 4. Now first convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So this equals to half of will be converted into multiplication. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 upon 4. Simple. Now 2 and 11 no common factors, 1 and 4 no common factor, 11 and 4 no common factor. So straightway numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. So this equals to 11 1s are 11 upon 4 2s are 8. Improper fraction, convert it into a mixed number. How we are going to convert it? See, 11 divided by 8, 8 1s are 8, remainder is 3, quotient remainder upon divisor. So this equals to quotient 1, remainder 3 upon 8. Done. First sum is done. Second sum, 4 2 upon 9. Half of 4 2 upon 9. So again half of 4 2 upon 9. Then this equals to half multiplied by 4 9s are 36, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2 38 upon 9. Now we can see here that 2 and 38 there are common factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, 2 9s are 18, 2 19s are 38. So this equals to 19 divided by 9. Again improper fraction, convert it into a mixed number. So 19 divided by 9, 9 2s are 18, minus remainder is 1. So quotient remainder upon divisor, this equals to 2 1 upon 9. Done. So this question is finished. Now we will move towards question number 8. Okay, before moving towards question number 8, our question number B, question number 7, question number B, we will solve only one sum for your practice, and then we will move towards question number 8. So B sum, 5 upon 8 of, this fraction does not matter anything. Yes, only the thing matters is that you have to be very careful in reducing the fraction. 5 upon 8 of 3, 5 upon 6. Same thing, 5 upon 8 multiplied by 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5 18, 19 20 21 22 23, 23 upon 6. Done. No common factors between 5 and 8, 23 and 6, 5 and 6, 8 and 23. Multiply numerator into numerator. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11 upon 6 6s are 48. Now this is for your homework. Convert 115 upon 48 into a mixed number and then write down the answer, plus solve the second sum also, that is find 5 upon 8 of 9 2 upon 3. Understood? So please convert this into a mixed number. It is an improper fraction. Okay, now we move towards 8th sum. Okay, what is question number 8? It is a word problem. It is a word problem. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. And 2 questions are asked. First question, how much water did Vidya drink? And what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Only 2 things they have asked. So we will write down solution. And first we will write down the information. Word problem is there, so information should be written down first. Total amount of water equals to 5 liters. So total amount of water with Vidya and Pratap is 5 liters. No need to mention that here. It is in the question only. Then Vidya consumed, another information. Vidya consumed means drank 2/5 of water. Vidya drank 2/5 of water. Now first question. Okay, so first question, first answer we will write Vidya drank 2/5 of water, that is, this is the symbol for that is 2 upon 5 of 5 liters. 2 upon 5 of 5 liters. How much water she consumed? How much water she drank? 2 upon 5 of the total water, that is 5 liters. So this equals to 2 upon 5, when the off comes, multiplication, multiplied by 5. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, we get here 1, 1, 2 ones are 2. So this equals to 2 liters. So out of 5 liters of water, Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Now, we'll write down our answer. First answer. Therefore, what is the question? How much water did Vidya drink? Therefore, Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Done? So, this is what Vidya drank, and we have to find out what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drank. It is very easy, but we will have to show it mathematically. So I'll rub out this. First see this, what we have written on the board. I will rub out this, then we will solve the second question. So total amount of water is 5 liters. Again we will write second answer. Total water is 5 liters. So total fraction, they have asked in fraction. So total fraction equals to 5 upon 5. Total fraction equals to 5 upon 5. Vidya drank 2 upon 5 of total fraction. This is fraction. Therefore, water drank by Pratap, or fraction of water. Fraction of water drank by Pratap equals to, this is the total fraction, 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5, this equals to 3 upon 5. So this is the fraction that Pratap drank, and this is the fraction that Vidya drank, And in liters, if 2 liters water is drank by Vidya, then 3 liters water is consumed by Pratap. Okay, this is the end of question number 8.